Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, March 17th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I colored my charts green today in honor of St. Patrick's Day. As I predicted, the Dow went down today and actually ended up closing down 128 points. You can see here, we have three red lines here. This is the bottom, this is the middle, and this is the top right now. And what happened today is, let me open this up just a little so you can see this a little better. What happened today is, after yesterday's big up day, I said it seemed to be running out of steam toward the end of the day, and it'll probably come down today. It certainly did. Very strong down open and a little kind of consolidation down here, and then it started to rally and it bumped its head on the middle line and came back, settling down 128. Now, what do I think is going to happen now? Well, after watching today's actions, I'm going to say the middle red line, it does represent some resistance area right now for this, for going higher, and I'd say there's a good chance Dow's going to come down and test our lower red line again, which I'm not upset about because we've made quite a bit of money on these bounces off that lower line. So I don't care if this thing comes down and does another bounce. That's really pretty good for us. Anyway, that's what my predictions are. As I say again, I don't do real well with predicting the Dow sometimes, but I really think it's having a little trouble here with our middle red line right now. It's probably going to want to come down here and bounce off the lower line, and then all bets are off what it's going to do after that. But this is a bull market. Don't forget, we're in a bull market. I don't have a huge amount to show you today. We had about $3,000 negative open trade coming into the day. That didn't get any better. We ended up closing out 3,800 in our closed out trades. We got into I think about 6 positions. Nothing very spectacular except one trade, which I will show you. Everything else was, kind of mediocre. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens with those. But we are holding just over $1,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. I will show you the best trade we had closing out was in Tesla Motors, and we had bought this yesterday, kind of in the latter half of the day, got into it. It went up very nicely. It did pop up this morning. Unfortunately, it pulled back pretty quickly, and where we got out here was not the greatest exit, but we still got out with over $1,000 in Tesla Motors. So I will be happy to take what we can get. This was the best trade of the day. This was in CSIQ, Canadian Solar. This Canadian Solar has been such a good stock for us so long, I can't even remember. I mean, we have just racked up gobs of money with CSIQ. It is just continuously volatile in a way that seems to fit our system pretty well. So I'm very pleased with that, and it was the shining star today. We jumped into CSIQ right on the pop-up right at the beginning of the day, and look at this. It just kept going, and closes almost near the high of the day. And we have, I think about $2,500 in CSIQ in open trade equity. So that is really looking good for us. Not a spectacular day, but I feel good about today. You know, I honestly think the Dow is setting up for another nice move in our favor, and we can play these bounces as long as we want. We're doing very well. Anyway, that's the way Tuesday went. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.